Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another cleaning with me video, and I'm starting out by putting Riley's mat back out because she woke up from her nap early and now it is time to play. And earlier on in the day I did Swiffer the whole entire floor, which I will leave the link to the video up top and also in the description bar down below because I think I found my favorite floor cleaner. Once I finished laying all the tiles out, I then went in with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner because since this mat does take up a lot of space in the room, it is kind of hard to not step on it. So I just want to make sure it is clean before Riley goes down and plays. And as you see, I'm just laying out all of her toys, and I went to go grab some laundry because I did put some clothes in the wash in the dryer earlier on in the day. And to be honest, if I do not fold these clothes right now, I am never going to get to it because this is the part that I absolutely hate the most, is folding all of the clothes. Specifically Riley's clothes because they're so tiny that like who really wants to fold all of them? But I figured, why not? She's up from her nap early, she's on the floor playing, so I might as well fold some clothes and get that out of the way. Riley is absolutely so adorable as she's trying to pull herself up on her toys. That's what she's really into lately, is standing. She's not so much crawling, but she does scoot on the floor. But any chance she gets, she is going to try and pull herself up. She is absolutely the cutest. What is one of the things that you guys absolutely hate to clean or to do around the house? Because realistically, we all have something that we don't really care to do, but it has to actually get done. So I'm almost finished with folding the laundry, but I want to share with you guys this easy way to fold your sheets and to actually put them away. I've been doing this for maybe about a year now, and I have found that it is literally such a lifesaver. It allows you to store all of your sheets in one place, and you don't have to worry about looking for the matching pillowcase. So you want to fold the fitted sheet, the regular sheet, and one of the pillowcases and put them on top of each other. And then with the second pillowcase, stuff everything inside and then just fold the extra piece on top. Store it like that in your linen closet, and this way all you have to do is just grab the one pillowcase that has literally everything in it. So now it's time to put all the clothes and everything away, and I just find it easier to put Riley in her crib and just let her play while I get all the stuff done and put away, because like I said, she's scooting and moving around and I really don't want to have to worry about what she's getting into. So I'm refilling the diaper pill bag and then just grabbing anything around the room that is dirty. Right now I do have a load of laundry of Riley's clothes, so her hamper is downstairs, so I'm just throwing everything onto the floor and then we'll do another load later. Because we do have a small space, this is also our guest bedroom as well. So I'm just making sure to make the bed, and really the only time it really gets dirty is when we are trying to put Riley asleep and she's really nosy. So we like to come in this room that really doesn't have too much in it and less distractions and more likely for her to actually go down for a nap. Then I just make sure to top the diaper pail off with this air freshener that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And if you guys missed my favorite Dollar Tree finds, I will leave the link down below and we'll also have it listed up on the screen. I clean and wipe down the dresser that I store a lot of my makeup in and just a lot of my beauty products. And this is what we use as Riley's changing pad, because like I said, guys, we really don't have too much space. So everything needs to be used for multiple purposes. Now it's just time to vacuum everything in the room, just making sure to get all of the dust and anything that has fallen throughout the day or week. And really, that's about it. Nothing special, typical vacuuming. Since I'm finally done, I put all of her toys away, do a little dance, just get her all excited, and that's really about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed these videos, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!